Welcome back. Let's now get you news from the Parliament as an all-out war has now broken out between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party over Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In the latest development, we are learning that the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party are staging a protest at the Makar Dwar. It's a protest march, we are told. So protest and counter-protest continues by both the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party.
कांग्रेस और बीजेपी के साथ फोटो लेकर यहाँ पर किस तरह से दोनों आमने सामने और डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर के सम्मान को लेकर दोनों पार्टियां एक दूसरे के ऊपर आरोप लगा रही है। दोनों पार्टियां उन्होंने धन्यवाद किया। दोनों ही पार्टियां और प्रियंका गांधी के नेतृत्व में और मांग यही की जा रही है कि गृह मंत्री को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। वहीं बीजेपी आरोप लगा रही है कि राहुल गांधी परिवार ने बाबा साहब का अपमान किया, वो इतिहास में सामने और इसको लेकर उन लोगों को भी माफी मांगनी चाहिए। जितेंद्र शर्मा, दिल्ली, न्यूज़ 18 इंडिया।
Remember, the protests at the Makar Dwar outside the Parliament is only growing. You can see these visuals. They exemplify the kind of protests that are going to be ensuing from here on for this entire day. We are seeing Congress members and the BJP members protesting and counter-protesting. We've seen how Congress members are sporting blue, whether it's the women or the men, all the leaders sporting blue, the colors of B.R. Ambedkar, as protesting against what the Union Home Minister had said in the Rajya Sabha. We can see senior leaders of the Congress Party, including the Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, part of that protest. We have Priyanka Gandhi and others as well. My colleague Pallavi is with us on the broadcast. Pallavi, the strategy from here on, the protests are only intensifying.
Absolutely, we are just looking at almost the penultimate end of this winter session of Parliament, and from day one it's been a story of confrontation, and today it's literally so. You're seeing those pictures where both the BJP as well as the India Bloc MPs are protesting over the same issue but from two different sides. The BJP accusing the Congress Party of maligning the Ambedkar legacy, of not having given him the Bharat Ratna, not even allowing the completion of his statue. On the other side, the Congress is just picking up on the few words of the Home Minister in Rajya Sabha and making a larger point that look at the way they have mocked the legacy of Ambedkar. In fact, Rahul Gandhi held a meeting today of all his party MPs from Lok Sabha. He told them enough is enough. On this issue, we are not going to back off. We are going to take the BJP head on. So you are seeing those pictures. What is also very interesting tidbit is that most of them, including Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, are wearing that royal blue. Now that blue denotes the color of Ambedkar, the color of the Dalit movement. And if you look at the symbols of, say, the BSP or Chandrasekhar Azad's party, it is actually in that color. So today they're using that color code to make the larger point that we are the ones who are the owners of the Ambedkar legacy. BJP, of course, pricking massive holes, saying that look at your legacy, look at the way you've trampled upon the entire memory of Ambedkar. No Bharat Ratna for him, no statues for him. And today, how can you tell lies and claim that you're the custodians of the Constitution?
Absolutely, Pallavi. In fact, hold on to that thought. We have reactions that we'd like our viewers to look at. These are BJP leaders responding to the protest that is ongoing in the Parliament.
Why did BJP have to come and do this protest today?
You know, during the constitution debate, Congress party stands exposed. Their hatred for Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has come to the light. They have never believed in the constitution, but they tried to create the fake narrative during the past elections as well. But if you look at the history, it is Pandit Nehru who's, initially campaigned against Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, made him lose the elections as well. He forced Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar to leave the politics as well. It was Pandit Nehru who brought the first amendment, which is the freedom of speech, curbing the freedom of speech. That clearly shows their hatred towards Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. If you look at Indira Gandhi's tenure, during her tenure, they imposed emergency on the country. You know, that clearly shows they never believed in the constitution. And let me also remind one more thing. It is the Morarji Desai government later on who took away that part of the constitution which was giving a right to impose the emergency on the country. That is one. And if you look at the three generations of the Congress party, Pandit Nehru, Indira Ji and Rajiv Gandhi, none of them gave the Bharat Ratna award to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. It is the non-Congress government who gave the Bharat Ratna award to the Bhimrao Ambedkar. Now when the Prime Minister Modi came, he came out with a Panch Tirth in the name of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, spending thousands of crore rupees on that. It is Prime Minister Modi who started the debate on constitution.
Ram Mohan Naidu ji, the way in which the opposition is trying to make an issue saying that Amit Shah has insulted the Dalits, you were also present in the House. What do you have to say about the opposition parties trying to rake up one issue after the other?
No, this is nothing new. This is kind of the toolkit that the Congress always follows. When they have nothing to do, they kind of create all these lies, all these kind of fake narrative and try to go to the people. This we have seen in the Lok Sabha elections also, and they feel that they can be victorious to a certain extent. But people of the country, they have proved that they won't believe Congress. They have done it in Haryana, they have done it in Maharashtra, and they are going to do it now. And we have straight questions to the Congress that if they really respect Ambedkar ji, why haven't they given Bharat Ratna to him? When the PM was Nehru ji, he has given it to himself. Indira ji, she has given it to herself. But they haven't respected Ambedkar ji. They haven't done anything that upholds the kind of contribution Ambedkar ji has done to the country. In fact, they have insulted him on many occasions. They have insulted the constitution which our Baba Saheb Ambedkar has done so much to the country. So these are the things that the Congress has to answer today if they really wanted to get into the discussion of the constitution or the Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji's contribution.
मुरलीधर जी, आप महाराष्ट्र से आते हैं, जो बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर की बहुत एक अहम एक भूमिका भी रही है वहाँ पे, आप किस तरह से देखते हैं जो विपक्ष करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इस पूरे मामले में?
मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी जो वक्तव्य है उसको मोड़तोड़ करके नैरेटिव सेट करने का ये प्रयास कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जनता जानती है, पूरा देश जानता है कि बाबा साहब को कांग्रेस ने जब तक बाबा साहब थे तब तक उनको तकलीफ दी, उनका अपमान किया, बार बार उनको मंत्रिमंडल से इस्तीफा देना पड़ा। उनका कभी भी बाबा साहब का रिस्पेक्ट कांग्रेस ने नहीं किया। आखिरी समय तक, अभी तक भी बाबा साहब के बारे में इन्होंने कभी भी कोई अच्छी सोच नहीं रखी। बाबा साहब को भारत रत्न भी इनके समय में नहीं मिला। गैर कांग्रेसी सरकार देश में आई तो बाबा साहब का सम्मान हुआ। और आज सदन में जो सभागृह में माननीय गृह मंत्री साहब ने बोला, वो पूरा उनका भाषण सुना है, इन्होंने भी सुना है, लेकिन ये जानबूझकर एक झूठी बात कर आज पूरे देश को मिसगाइड कर रहे हैं। लेकिन जनता जानती है, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला। और संविधान प्रति, बाबा साहब प्रति भारतीय जनता पार्टी पहले से ही एक सम्मान की भूमिका है, एक आदर भावना यहाँ पे है। मुझे लगता है कि आखिर जनता जानती है, जनता इसका जवाब जरूर देगी।